Well, it gives me immense pleasure to introduce hydraulic multi-searing, punching and notching machine, which is known as iron worker, for our esteemed customers. It is so designed, it can save labor, time and energy, and it can give good quality with maximum quantity. We have various types of model like 45 tons, 60 tons, 80 tons capacity, and this machine is made for fabrication industries. Now we are showing to our valued customer how to operate the machine. First, we have to connect the machine with three-phase supply. Start the main switch. A green indicator mounted on the panel board will indicate power supply is okay. To start the machine, first you have to ensure that both emergency switches is on, and it will show you all okay amber indicator, which is mounted on foot pedal. There are two types of selector switches on panel board. First selector switch will use for auto or inching mode, and second selector switch for punching station or notching station. We are showing all the demos operation on 60-ton iron worker machine. First, we are going for operation punching. Operation, you can punch maximum 28 millimeter dia and job thickness will be 15 millimeter. First, you have to adjust the stopper for mass production, and every time you have to place the job on die and tight the job by locking arrangement. And now our engineer Michael Veno is showing how to operate the punching operation. In notching station, you can do so many operations as per mentioned in our catalog. You can notch maximum 10 millimeter thickness plate, wide 42 millimeter and long 100 millimeter. This is the maximum capacity of 60-ton machine. In the operation, other operation can be done. Let us see the first notching operation. This cavity is used for sharing square bar 35 and 35 maximum and round bar 40 dia maximum. Before placing the rod, we have to adjust sliding guide plate, and this guide plate is fully tightened by threaded knob. After the setting and inserting the rod respectively, operate the foot pedal. In angle steering window, you can see the maximum size of angle 120 by 120 and 1 millimeter thickness. First, you have to adjust the guide plate. After adjusting the guide plate, respectively, you have to insert the angle to the cavity. That time, square bar and round bar steering window will be closed, and you can do angle steering operation only with the help of guide plate. There is an adjusting board and place the angle properly in cavity. Now angle steering is going on. In plate steering, maximum plate size 200 mm wide and 20 mm thickness, which will be placed in the respective cutout, and lock the material by locking arrangement, which is already provided. You can also see C, T and I section in the cavity where you are cutting square and round bar. Both blades should be removed and respective blades should be inserted the cavity. You have to change the guide plate also, as shown in the operation C channel cutting. Thus the machine is very versatile and easy for operation as well as less maintenance.